Welcome to Real Gains. What if I say you only need 3 exercises for a strong body? That too, staying at home and without any equipments.
You serious?
It's amazing, right? This video is all about the basic exercises for a strong body. Before getting into the exercises, let us first know why we need to specifically perform those exercises. Our body consists of 3 major portions: upper body, lower body, and the core. The 3 exercises which we are going to see now will strengthen each portion of the body. Push-up, targeting the upper body; squat, targeting the lower body; and plank, targeting the core. The correct form to perform push-up is palms apart slightly greater than shoulder width, body straight and parallel to floor, knees slightly bent, and head facing forward. In this position, push yourself up. The correct form to perform squat is feet shoulder width apart and facing outward. Go down as if you are going to sit on a chair and stop when your thighs are parallel to the floor. Adjust your back so that your knees don't go forward beyond your feet. The correct form to perform plank is keep your elbows shoulder width apart. Keep your lower back straight and parallel to floor. Look at your fists and hold in that position. You might wonder if you are eligible to perform these exercises. Anyone who doesn't have health issues related to joints and bones can perform these exercises. Age and gender doesn't matter. Perform the exercise in a steady pace. Don't do it fast as it can affect your form and injure the joints. For push-ups and squats, beginners can start with 8 to 12 repetitions in each set, taking 60 to 90 seconds rest between the sets. And for plank, beginners can start with 30 to 45 seconds hold for each set. Perform 3 sets in each exercise. Let me give you a quick tip. As you progress, increase your counts gradually for each set on a weekly basis. If you are serious about building muscles with these exercises, perform 4 sets in each exercise and each set till failure. If you have any doubts or questions, leave it in the comment section below. I'll reply to it. Hey guys, hope you liked this video. If you did, hit the subscribe button here and the like button here. Don't forget to share this video.